Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 camera not working error or camera failed error. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and click on camera, and after opening camera, go to its storage. Now here, clear the app data and cache memory of camera, and after that go back and in settings click on battery and device care. Now here scroll down and click on software update, and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after that go back and in settings scroll down and click on general management. Now here scroll down and click on reset, and after that scroll down and click on reset all settings. And now here again click on reset settings to confirm, and now enter your lock screen password.